Welcome to Spitzer Buick GMC Findlay. And here's a look at another one of our great vehicles for sale. It comes equipped with navigation, HD rear vision camera, safety alert seat, trailering package, lane keep assist with lane departure warning, IntelliBeam with automatic high beam on and off, ventilated driver and front passenger seats, 10-way power passenger seat adjuster with lumbar, power front windows with driver express up and down,
rain sensitive windshield wipers, and has less than 20,000 miles on the odometer.
saving you more since 1904. The Spitzer family of dealerships is proud to provide our friends and neighbors with the best purchasing and owning experience in Ohio. We have a friendly staff and provide a fun atmosphere for our guests. And we offer the best value for the lowest price. So give us a call or stop by Spitzer Buick GMC Findlay today, where our world revolves around you.